area of rectangle area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. So I want to convert this rectangle into cylinder. So area CSA, curved surface area of cylinder, equal to perimeter of circular base into height. As you know, area of perimeter of circle, so circumference equal to 2 pi r. It means total length along the circular boundary equal to 2 pi r. Therefore 2 pi r into h. Therefore CSA of cylinder 2 pi r h. Now TSA of cylinder equal to 2 into area of base plus CSA of cylinder. Therefore 2 into pi r square 2 pi RH. So therefore 2 pi r plus h. It is the total surface area of the cylinder. So we can convert this rectangle into this. This is the height, this is the height. So this rectangle convert into cylinder. So in this chapter I want to calculate the curved surface area of the cylinder 2 pi r h and total surface area of the cylinder 2 pi r bracket start r plus h, where r is the radius, h is the height. So I will explain some question related to this topic. Now I am attending question number 1 from exercise 13.2 related to cylinder. Now I am reading the question 1 from exercise 13.2. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14 cm is 88 cm square. So CSA of cylinder equal to 88 centimeter square and height 14 centimeter. As you know, CSA of cylinder equal to 2 pi r h. Therefore 88 equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into r into 40. So in this question we have to find out the diameter of the base D equal to question mark. So therefore 7 to the 14, 22 24 the 88, 2 to the 4, 2 to cancel. Therefore r equal to 1 centimeter. But diameter 2 multiply radius. Therefore D equal to 2 multiply r equal to 2 multiply 1 equal to 2 centimeter. So it is the answer of this question number 1. So now I am attending question number 2 from exercise 13.2. So first of all you note it down. Note down on a notebook and I will give a few seconds to you. So now it is the question number 2 from exercise 13.2. It is required to make a closed cylindrical tank. So now I am drawing a closed cylindrical tank. It is the H, it is the R. Tank of height 1 meter. And diameter, it is the diameter 140 centimeter. So first, now I am giving a solution. Given D equal to 140 centimeter, but question demand the answer in meter square, so I want to convert diameter in from centimeter to meter. So therefore equal to 140 upon 100 meter, 1.4 meter. But D equal to 2r, where D is the diameter, r is the radius. So I want to calculate the radius. 1.4 equal to 2r. R equal to 1.4 upon 2, 2 7 is 14, 0.7 meter. So in this question, height is given in meter, 1 meter. So that is the TSA of cylinder equal to 2 pi r plus h, because these are the closed cylindrical tank. So this is the 2 pi r square. It means 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius 0.7, bracket start 0.7 plus 1. 7 cancel out, 0.1, 44, 4.4 multiply 1.7. 7 for 17 for the 68. Carry over 6, 68, 74. 7 point meter square. So this is the required answer. I will attend next question related to exercise 13.2. in the next class.